Hey guys, this is Stella, and if you don't know me, I am Estella Macy, and today I am back on YouTube since like a hot minute. It's good to see you guys again, and if you're new here, I guess nice to meet you, and let's get on to the video.
Then on the floor in my room. What's good?
Let me just go change.
I look like a cartoon character.
Let's brush out my hair so it's not as much. Ow, frick. As you know, I've been gone for a while off of YouTube. I'd film YouTube videos and then I just would edit them like completely. I wouldn't even post them. I'd just delete them immediately. I was just really depressed and I didn't feel good about myself. First, I'm going in with the moisturizer, which is by Glam Glow. So I have huge news and really good news. I got into an art show, like an actual art gallery in New York, and that's a huge freaking deal because it's freaking the Big Apple. I'm like, I want to cry because well, I did cry when I found out. I'm freaking out because so I am so happy for this opportunity. I'm just looking forward to what's to come. I'm just using the Fit Me foundation in 112 by Maybelline. Sexy.
Something about the girl that just makes my head wanna twirl.
My concealer is the Fit Me concealer in 15 Fair, so I'm just gonna contour a bit. I'm gonna be using this right here on the Urban Decay Naked Skin palette. For baking, I'm just using this finishing powder in 10 Fair Light. For my eyebrows, I'm just using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in Auburn. So my school is going to be having their semi-formal very soon, and guess what? I'm DJing. Being like a DJ would definitely be something that I'm interested in actually like getting into when I'm older. I mean, if Pauly D can do it, I can do it. If y'all don't know Pauly D, search up Pauly D. I love him. He's like one of my icons. So for the, oh my god, whoa, that's a lot of bruises. This is what happens when you're a dancer. For the eyes, I'm just going to be going in with my Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay. I'm going to go in with Nooner, Dark Side. We're actually going to be going in with this palette right here, the Too Faced Life's a Festival palette, and we're just going to be using the shade Beamin'. Do a nice little bit of eyeliner on me. For mascara, I'm just using the Lmao Mega Volume mascara. Go in just a little bit with the Dark Heart right here. For my lips, I'm going to just be using some of this Tarte lip paint. For blush on my face, I'm just using the Tarte blush. Now I have like my blush on. Now I can highlight, which is like my favorite part. I'm gonna use this highlight powder. In with this Annabelle loose pigment, just adds like so much pow. That's all I can really explain. Pow is what I go. This is the finished look, so let me just put on some accessories and I'll be right back. So, I guess this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, noon, night, whatever. I just hope that you're happy and you're safe and you're having a good time. And I will see you guys in the next video. Alright, bye May Stars!